Our next startup, NeoStencil India, is an edtech startup in the test preparation segment that helps students across India prepare for competitive exams through its live learning platform without having to relocate to a new city. They're turning dreams into reality for millions of students in Tier 2 and 3 towns by providing world-class learning on smart devices.
So NeoStencil was incorporated in 2015, so we began our journey. The realization behind the idea of NeoStencil was that we were lucky that our parents could afford to send us to coaching hubs like Old Rajendra Nagar or to Kota for our competitive exam preparation, but not many can do so, right? So there becomes a gap between those who can afford expensive coaching for these exams and those who cannot. So for them, there are either two options. You join a local institute, which is a subpar institute in your own city, or you totally give up the dreams of cracking that exam or being successful at it. So that is when we decided that we need a platform wherein those students who belong to Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4 cities who do not have a big parental income, they can also realize their dreams of studying for these competitive exams and then going on to succeed in them. So we began NeoStencil with that idea in 2015. We started with the IES exam preparation segment. Once we started giving great results in that segment in 2017, we became one of the leaders in that exam segment, and then we onboarded the new exams like IES, GATE, State PSC, Judiciary.
So our business model is a marketplace wherein we partner with the top test prep institutes for government exams and for IIT JEE as well. And whatever teachings are happening in their classrooms are now streamed live and online through our platform. So those students who cannot relocate to metro cities to access these coaching institutes can now access these classes live, sitting from their home through our mobile app, through our website.
We only onboard the top institutes. We believe that not everyone can be a teacher. That is not the case. Only the best who have had a long experience in these exams, produced successful candidates who have given stellar results, we onboard those institutes. Then we provide the real-time classroom experience of those institutes to the students, and everything is live online. The study material, the doubt clearance sessions, the classes as such, they are obviously live. Student can play, pause, repeat at their own will. Everything is there live online. They do not miss anything which their offline counterparts are getting in the classroom.
Lack of access of quality education when it comes to the job test prep is haunting India right now. There is only one option for the students who want to access quality education. They have to relocate to these major coaching hubs.